Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to hand over the gold medals for all those who are the attendance champions for the month of June. So it is our honor to hand over the medals to all these 9 champions. Inshallah, in the coming month we would like to see everyone coming here and receiving the medals. Can we all do that? So inshallah. What's the total strength of the class? 42. Okay, we have here how many? 9. 42 minus 9 is 33. So those remaining 33 should also come here. Okay? Yes, so I request Salma Banu ma'am to hand over the medals to the winners. And first we have Sufyan Zaman. Please come and receive the medal from ma'am. And there is our camera. You just next in the list we have Saida Nida. She is also the attendance champion. And to say about Nida, starting from LKG, from babysitting for last 10 years, right? For 10 years she did not take a single leave. She does not know how to take a leave. Do you know how to take leave? Don't know. Okay. So let me give a round of applause for Saida Nida. Okay, next in line we have Janatul Pankia. Yes, let's keep clapping. We also have Rabia Banu. Yes, keep clapping. Okay. Okay, so next in line we have Salifa Banu. Yes, Salifa Banu. We must be the daughter of Salifa Banu. Okay, so we have a unique combination. Yes, let's give a big round of applause. She came from another school. She liked our school so much that she did not take a single leave. Very good. Yeah. And next we have Sayyida Alfia Bekos. Come. Oh, mashallah. Let's give a big round of applause for her. Okay, we also have Shifa Kalosum. Shifa Kalosum, please come and receive the medals. Aisha Siddiqa A. Aisha Siddiqa. Okay, let's give a big round of applause to and last but not least, Arvind Khanam.
Absent.
Okay, let's also give a big round of applause to Arvind Khanam. And as I said, okay, here now we have only some 20%, right? Out of 42, how many? 9. Okay, not even 25%, less than. So inshallah, next month we will give the medals to everyone. Okay? So what you have to do for that? Simple thing. You have to come every day. Correct? That's very easy, right, Nida? Yeah. For Nida, it is Sunday is very difficult, correct? You know, on Sunday, Nida really feels bad. She is like, what to do? Okay. So let's give a big round of applause to Salma Banu.